Qualizzi Sun Shades are so easy to use, even grandpa can install them in just a few seconds. No instructions, no tools, no complications, just place it and it's ready. Watch how quickly it installs. In just 12 seconds, it's perfectly fitted. With the Qualizzi Sun Shades installed, you can't see inside from the outside. Enjoy total privacy inside your car. Clear visibility from the inside. No glare, no direct sunlight, just comfort and privacy. Buy your Qualizzi Sun Shades on Amazon today.